famous Nkwọ Enugwu-Ukwu. That's our community market. It has a very great heritage. Anytime I'm in Anambra, I like coming inside the market to interact with the people. You know, I get some kind of spiritual blessing and upliftment. You know, so that after buying whatever you're buying, give them a little tip and they tell you, God bless you, God bless you. So do that anytime you come home. Visit your local village community market. Okay? You can interact with the women. Like now we bought okra. Yeah, I did it. It was I did. Yeah, but I need one. Okay, I need one. I know. I want one. I have to give it.
Ice fish.
So that's how we, you know, onions.
Ice cream.
Onions on it.
Maybe.
What's not 500? What's it with it?
Yes, for now.
I don't ice cream, Makumazi.
Ice cream, quoi?
I don't ice cream. We was I don't idea.
Yeah.
Ice fish.
Of course.
All right.
Now, ice fish. Yeah? Everything you want in this market, you get it. Everything fresh, well preserved. So, guys, I'm going to no. What you shop? Ah, you shop? I'm not going to shop. Yes, sir. Are you serious? Yes, sir. Well, I see you go by, so I think I want to go. But I don't know. Onegator. What I would rather say to them. With the book, was you 10? I don't know. And I get it. Why I not that? So, like I was saying, go home to your village markets anytime you're in your community. Come and meet you. Nobody will kill you. Nobody's chasing you. They are now on your because this is what they eat from. Imagine a rapper had changed. That's it. That's what we're preaching. That's what we do. But I don't know. That's what I'm going to do here.